Welcome back to my channel. Luxury drive car, the 2025 Lexus LX 700 hours, a luxury SUV that masterfully blends opulence with hybrid efficiency. Buckle up as we explore its design, performance, interior features, and more. The 2025 Lexus LX 700 hours commands attention with its bold and sophisticated design. The front fascia showcases the signature Lexus spindle grille, flanked by sleek LED headlights that provide both style and functionality. The sculpted lines along the body not only enhance its aerodynamic profile but also exude a sense of strength and elegance. The rear is equally impressive, featuring LED taillights and a subtle spoiler that adds a sporty touch. Overall, the LX 700 hours S exterior design is a harmonious blend of luxury and ruggedness, making it stand out in the crowded SUV market. Under the hood, the LX 700 hours houses a 3.5-litre twin-turbocharged V6 engine paired with a hybrid system, delivering a combined output of 457 horsepower at 5,200 revolutions per minute and robust 790 Newton-meters of torque at 2,000 revolutions per minute. This powertrain ensures swift acceleration and effortless cruising, whether you're navigating city streets or exploring off-road trails. The 10-speed automatic transmission provides seamless gear shifts, enhancing both performance and fuel efficiency. Speaking of efficiency, the LX 700 hours achieves the combined fuel consumption of approximately 11.7 liters/100 kilometers, making it a more eco-friendly option without compromising on power. Step inside the LX 700 hours, and you're greeted by a sanctuary of luxury and technology. The cabin is adorned with semi-aniline leather upholstery, available in black or stone brown, complemented by open-pore blackwood inserts that exude sophistication. The redesigned front seats offer enhanced support and come equipped with massage functions, ensuring comfort during long drives. Rear passengers aren't left out, as they also benefit from available massage seats, making every journey a first-class experience. The dashboard is dominated by a new 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster that provides clear and customizable information at a glance. This is paired with a high-resolution infotainment system that supports the latest connectivity features, including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Audiophiles will appreciate the available 25-speaker, 2,400-watt Mark Levinson reference surround sound system, delivering an immersive audio experience that's perfect for enjoying your favorite tunes on the road. The LX 700 hours doesn't just excel in luxury, it's also a formidable off-road machine. Built on the robust TNGA platform, it offers a ground clearance of 205 mm, allowing it to tackle rough terrains with ease. The Overtrail Edition takes off-roading capabilities to the next level, featuring front and rear differential locks and all-terrain tires mounted on 18-inch rims. This variant is designed for adventurers who seek the thrill of exploring uncharted paths without sacrificing comfort and style. Safety is paramount in the LX 700 hours, with Lexus incorporating a comprehensive suite of advanced safety features. The Lexus Safety System Plus includes pre-collision warning with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, adaptive cruise control, and more. These systems work in unison to provide peace of mind, whether you're navigating busy urban environments or cruising on the highway. In terms of dimensions, the LX 700 hours measures 5,095 mm in length, 1,990 mm in width, and 1,895 mm in height, with a wheelbase of 2,850 mm. These generous proportions translate to ample interior space, comfortably accommodating up to 7 passengers, depending on the seating configuration. The cargo area is also spacious, making it practical for both daily errands and long road trips. The LX 700 hours is available in several trims to cater to diverse preferences. The F-Sport handling trim adds a sporty flair with unique exterior accents and performance-tuned suspension, appealing to those who desire a more dynamic driving experience. The ultra-luxury trim focuses on providing the utmost comfort, featuring executive-style seating and additional amenities that elevate the sense of opulence. As for pricing, the LX 700 Hours starts at approximately $140,000, reflecting its position in the luxury SUV segment. While this represents a premium over the non-hybrid LX 600, the added benefits of hybrid efficiency and enhanced performance make it a compelling choice for discerning buyers. In conclusion, the 2025 Lexus LX 700 Hours successfully marries luxury, performance, and hybrid technology, offering a well-rounded package for those seeking a high-end SUV. Its striking design, powerful yet efficient powertrain, lavish interior, and advanced features make it a standout option in its class. Whether you're navigating city streets or venturing off the beaten path, the LX 700 Hours is equipped to handle it all with grace and confidence. The rear of the 2025 Lexus LX 700 Hours showcases a refined and powerful design, aligning with the vehicle's luxury SUV status. The taillights are one of the most striking elements, featuring sharp, angular lines that extend seamlessly across the rear, creating a bold, cohesive look. These LED taillights offer both style and visibility, while the rear design as a whole exudes strength and sophistication. The rear bumper has been carefully sculpted, adding to the vehicle's streamlined appearance while enhancing aerodynamics. The chrome accents along the bumper and around the exhaust outlets provide a premium touch that reflects the luxury identity of the LX 700 Hours. The dual exhaust outlets are positioned low and are integrated into the design, maintaining the SUV's clean lines while adding a sporty character to its overall aesthetic. The tailgate is powered, offering ease of access to the large cargo area. The rear view camera, along with the sensors and high-tech features, ensures maximum safety and convenience when reversing or parking. A subtle rear spoiler adds to the sporty vibe, improving aerodynamics while complementing the vehicle's overall design. For the 2025 Lexus LX 700 Hours, the back end serves not only as a functional part of the vehicle but also as a testament to Lexus' commitment to blending luxury and performance in every detail. Whether it's the sleek lines, modern features, or practical design elements, the rear of the LX 700 Hours is truly a work of automotive art. Please subscribe to my channel and share it with like. Please subscribe.